Thank you.
Thumbs up.
All right. All right, gang, we're back. Man, that looks beautiful. Look at that. All right, so far so good. This looks beautiful. A little chilly. Should have put a jacket on. Decided not to for whatever reason. Probably because it was in the high 70s today. And now it's probably in, I don't know, 50s maybe? Barely. We're approaching our first drop. Any minute now, any second now. Man, this was kind of creepy. Oh. Yeah! Whoa! Pretty sure that was one of my kids or a wife. It's a long way up. We got the general store. I believe they're closed for the day. Oh man. That scream is definitely Emma. And here we go. The drop number 2.
Push your handles to go fast. The bears are coming.
You heard the man. Bears are coming. No, brother. Here we go. Yeah! Whoa! 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 All right, gotta slow down. All right. again, remember, this is a 9-minute mountain coaster ride. It's pretty cool. The longest and probably the most fun ride here in Pigeon Forge, in terms of the mountain coasters. Bye, Emma. Nope, not Emma. There's Emma. Oh, brother, here we go. I have to admit, it looks kind of creepy at nighttime. Never know what's lurking behind these, in these woods here. And we're in Tennessee. Hello. Alright, some bugs. I think I just felt one on top of my head. Nope, stay away, stay away. Don't follow me. Let's go! Whoa! Whoa! This is freaking awesome! Yeah! Yeah, brother. Light it up! Light them up, friend! Whoa! Nice to get a couple lights out. Whoa! Whoa! Alright, where are we? Let's see. Almost at the 8 minutes. I think so. When you buy the tickets the first time, for the three of us, it was like $55 or something. So if you decide to go one more time, the next time they give you a discount. Basically, it's half off. And then if you decide to come back at nighttime, they'll still give you the same discount. So we basically paid $55 the first time. Think about 27 the next time. Again, for the three of us, 2 adults and a 12-year-old. And then just right now we spend again the same amount, like the 50% off, whatever it was, $28. Sorry, I wish I could give you like the exact amount, but really not good with that stuff. When I'm on vacation, I really don't care. I just enjoy myself.
Go, go, go!
All right. She's yelling at me. I gotta go. Oh, brother, let's go. Whoa! Yeah! I thought these lights were supposed to be on the whole time so I can see where I'm going. Oh, man. Maybe I should slow down.
Don't stop, keep coming.
That's right, sorry.
Can't see him come around that corner.